This is the accounts payable process. This process allows for the coordination of payments for items or services received but not yet paid for. This includes shipments tracked by a PO, as well as resources like electricity. The process begins when an invoice is filled out either automatically or manually by a vendor. The information entered will include the invoice number, date, invoice amount, and the PO for reference. The information will then be verified, and if the data is correct, it will be sent to a manager to approve. If incorrect or missing information, a notification will be sent to the supplier requesting the missing data. The manager will then approve or reject the payment and add notes if rejected to return to the supplier. If approved, finance is notified, and the payment will be scheduled and recorded as completed. At the beginning of the process, the vendor will fill out the bill from information with their company name and contact. Next, they'll fill in the bill to information to verify. And then they can add the invoice information. They'll add all the information, including the invoice here. This can be done for multiple invoices. Once the invoice information is completed, it'll give them a total amount. And then they submit the form. The vendor will receive an email stating all the information that they just filled out. Then an employee will be asked to verify the information. They can review the form and verify if there's any missing data. If the invoice is approved, they'll fill out the manager name and email. The manager will then receive an email asking them to review it. They'll again approve the information, add any notes, and contact the finance department. The vendor will then be informed that their invoices have been approved, and the finance department will receive the invoices to pay.